Hi, I'm Dan Blanchard. American Safari Cruises represents a dream I've had all my life. The dream of going to places that are untouched. The dream of traveling to areas where others just have not been. The dream of not only traveling, but having the true experience of the land, the sea, and the wildlife. What draws me to this lifestyle is the ability to be adventurous. We see whales, dolphins, and porpoise everywhere we go. We only cruise during the day, so we miss nothing along the way. The beauty of American Safari Cruises is the size of the groups. With just 12 to 22 guests, there are no lines for kayaks. There are no lines for shore excursions. Our success lies with our crew. They're the reason our guests come back time after time. Our menus are always prepared with fresh, local ingredients, and the quality and variety are impeccable. Special dietary concerns can be handled directly with our chefs. Just say the word and we'll make it happen. Our shore excursions are designed to pull back the curtains of the communities we visit. From internationally renowned artists to local characters, we are welcomed into their lives. I've had people ask me about what kinds of things they'll do. We've got whale watching, hiking, beachcombing, relaxing in the hot tub, or reading a book, and it goes on from there. We're spontaneous and flexible because nature doesn't wear a watch, and neither do we. Come join us and you'll understand the dream that is American Safari Cruises.